Did you know opera singers and elite athletes use this weird trick to boost focus in under 2 minutes? They deliberately yawn. Not because they're tired, but because it cools their brain and releases specific chemicals that calm anxiety and sharpen attention. Research shows intentional yawning can lower cortisol and improve emotional control, even if you're genetically prone to stress or focus issues. The cooling effect happens within minutes and works regardless of your DNA. Try taking 3 deep, deliberate yawns right now. What's one moment today when better focus could help you?